Hello friends, and welcome to our new launch, and we are calling this as YouTube Noiser. And let me tell you right off the bat that this has got nothing to do with make money online, okay? So don't waste your time if you think this is gonna make money to you. It's a simple training and tool which is going to actually enhance and increase or improve the sound quality of your YouTube videos, okay? So it's not just YouTube videos, any kind of videos or music which you compose. So let's say if you are a YouTuber or you upload your videos on some other platform, maybe you work for somebody else, you have some clients, and if you're facing some low volume issues, so for example you go and record your videos, right? You speak in the mic like me, or you come on the camera and you record your videos or somebody else's videos, and then when you play the video, so let's say you upload them on YouTube or you upload them on Vimeo or Vishya, wherever. So once you upload those videos, they do not sound very well, okay? So it's like, when you play the video on YouTube, you can actually hear it, but you can't understand what you are saying in the video, okay? So it's like, yes, there's a voice, but it's not audible, right? So yeah, I mean, this is for those people who are struggling with the low volume issues, especially on YouTube. And this can be used for videos as well as for mp3s, okay? So in case you are doing videos, you can use this software and training to improve and increase the sound quality of your YouTube videos. And also if you are composing some mp3s, and if you want to increase the sound quality and the volume of your mp3 audios, you can use this thing in that as well, okay? So this is a training program, and also we will give you a free software inside. Now this free software is not something which I own. I have not created the software. I have found it from the internet. It's there, and I have done my research. I have put through everything in one training course program, and that will show you step by step how to download the software, how to install it, how to go ahead and do all those settings in your video editor, how to compose your video with the new sound quality, okay? And here if you scroll down, you can see I have some samples here on the sales page. So if you just scroll down below, you will see two videos. Sample one before using YouTube Noiser, and you can play this video, and we have sample two after using YouTube Noiser, okay? So once you play this video, this is sounding decent, all right? So I'm not saying this is a very bad sound. Even in the sample one before using YouTube Noiser, I'm using this mic and it's sounding okay. But when you play the second video, sample two, after using YouTube Noiser, once you hear the sound from this second video, you will clearly know that yes, what I'm talking about, it matters, it makes the difference, okay? So when you go ahead and make your videos, the first thing you would want is that people can hear your video, you hear your voice in your videos without plugging in the headphones, okay? So sometimes people prefer to plug in the headphones or the earphones or the earpods these days. So it depends, but for example, if I go on to YouTube here, right? If I go on to YouTube here, right? And if I play some video here, so I would expect that I can watch that video, I can listen to everything in the video without having to plug in my headphones, okay? That is what I will expect. And similarly, if you are uploading videos on YouTube and you are having this difficulty that, okay, you are using a good mic, you're using a decent mic, or maybe you are shouting in your videos, and still if when you go ahead and upload your videos on YouTube, they sound very low, nobody can hear you, right? So in that case, this is going to help you for sure. And guys, I'm telling you again, this is a training course plus some free on the internet, and I have put everything in together. So I do not need those people who will buy the product and they will say, hey, I already knew this, okay? If you already knew this, please walk away. If you do not enhance your YouTube sound quality of your videos, then you can buy this software. All right, so we do not need extra smart, over smart people here. If you know everything, then go ahead, do it on your own, right? So here, first of all, if you are using a very good mic, maybe the expensive mic, and everything is fine for you, if you are happy with the sound quality of your YouTube videos, then no problem, you don't need this. Okay, only those people need this who are having some difficulties in producing some high quality YouTube videos, and high quality means the sound quality. Okay, so here you can see again, I am expecting that when I play some video on YouTube, that video should be audible into my ears without me having to plug in my headphones. Okay, if you want that kind of sound quality, YouTube Noiser is going to solve the problem for you. And that's why it's a must grab thing for all those people who are active on the internet. If you think you are going to create some videos, or you are already creating some videos, maybe you are launching some courses online, or you have some you have your own YouTube channel, or even if you are you're a like music composer and you are using only MP3 videos. Okay, so this works for both. This works for audios as well. It will improve the quality of your audios as well, and it will also improve the quality of your videos as well. Okay, and inside the training, I have shown you how to go ahead and use this software to improve the sound quality, and then how to go ahead and edit your videos using that new sound quality which you will have. You will get everything. All right, there is a separate video, that's a training video which you will get inside the members area or inside the course, and then you will go ahead and understand it really makes a difference. Because right now, this video, the sales video which you are listening to me right now, this particular video, I have made this video using this YouTube Noiser. Okay, so I have used the same software to improve the to improve and enhance the quality of this particular video which you're watching as a sales video right now. So yes, this video has been the sound which you're like getting into your ears right now. This has been this video has been created or produced using that software YouTube Noiser. Okay, and again, you can check the difference here. You can see sample one, this video was created without using the software, and this second video, it was the sound which you will hear in this video, you will see the clear difference that this is the first video sounds okay, but the second video sound quality is better. Okay, that's it. I guess it's a very short it's a very short sales video, and there's it's a very small tool, but it does the job. Okay, if you have been struggling in fixing your YouTube sound quality especially, then this will do the trick. And you will go ahead and enjoy your new high quality sound in your own YouTube videos. So again, guys, this works in all kinds of videos, YouTube videos, Vimeo, Vishya, or in any other kind of video. You can use it for your videos and even for your clients' video too. Okay, so all right, guys, go ahead and click on the checkout or buy now button below my video, and we'll see you inside.